This video shows you how to mark wet sensors within the new Humidity app. It's pretty simple. You just open the Humidity app and after that create a new project. You do it as you always do. You enter a project name and after that you say if it's a flat roof or another scenario. After that you see this new second screen. Here you've got the ability to upload a photo to your project. This photo will be attached to the project all the time in the future, so it's very important that you choose the right photo. Here you've got two options, whether you take a photo right away on the spot where you are, or you can upload a photo from your photo roll from your smartphone. In this case we choose a photo from our photo roll and take care that this photo is in landscape mode. It's better for handling afterwards. When you're done with it, you just continue by entering the project details that are always shown on every protocol in the future. On the last screen you see the summary of your project with a photo on top of it, and now you're ready to go, ready to start reading the sensors for the first time. If you're ready for your first scan, just be sure that you enabled Bluetooth and wait until your smartphone is connected to the scanner. Now you can start the scanning procedure. Take your time for your first scan, because on your first scan every sensor that is read is registered to your project, so it's very important that you don't miss any sensors. So take your time, go step by step and read one sensor after the other. As soon as you detect a wet sensor, the screen turns to orange. You see a percentage number in the middle of the screen. The closer you get to the sensor, the higher the number is. This helps you to localize the sensor in high precision. If you're close enough and you think you know exactly where the sensor is, you can hit the screen. Now the photo that you've attached to your project pops up. You're now able to mark the spot where you are with your fingertips. You can zoom in and zoom out with two of your fingers. You can pinch the photo so you can come very close to the point where you are. If you tap with one finger on the photo, the mark is set. You can always undo this action to try to reach another point in the photo. But if you are set and this is alright, you can say next, and you can continue scanning the roof or the surface that you are controlling. So whenever you find another wet sensor, you just repeat this procedure I've shown you, and you mark your second or your third wet sensor. If you're lucky and there are no more wet sensors, you just continue scanning dry sensors until the end, until you've just read all the sensors of your project. So when you're done, you will see this short summary of the control on the screen. You now can share this whole protocol with your colleagues. You just hit the share button and share it with your colleagues, and they will get the PDF document, which includes not only the details of the control, but also the image that you've taken, plus the second layer, the layer with the marked wet sensors. And if you don't find any wet sensors within the control, the image on top of the protocol will be shown as well, but you will see there a green check mark on top of it, which indicates that there are no wet sensors found. So everything is good. Every sensor you found were dry. So this is basically it. I hope this helps you a bit. Just get back to us if you have any further questions.